Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix keyboard issue in your Samsung smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So if you sometimes if you just click on the search and your keyboard is opening late, or sometimes it is not typing, or any other issue you are facing while on the keyboard. So friends, you can see you have to first go to the settings and click on this general management, and here it will show Samsung keyboard settings. Tap on here. So there are 2-3 keyboards are here. If you have downloaded Google keyboard, you can click on here and turn off it and turn on it. You can enable any another keyboard. For that, this is the suggest emojis. There are lots of keyboard are here. You can just turn it off and then turn on. And second step, you can go click on application, click on search, right here Gboard, Google keyboard. So click on storage and you have to clear cache and clear data. So your keyboard will be now reset, and give all the permissions like microphone, photos and video, and camera. So and then you have to just restart your smartphone and your problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.